So we're at Mercedes-Benz of Burlington, part of the Auto Group, with Felicia to ask a few questions about the new GLB.
Yes, let's get it going.
Let's get it going. So Felicia, where does this car line up in Mercedes lineup? Is it the smallest? Is it the biggest? Where is it?
So this is going to be second in our lineup, our smallest being our GLA for our SUVs and our biggest being our GLS.
Cool. And the GLA, I saw that it's very similar in price and styling. How is this car different from that one?
So they are very similar cars. They offer the same amount of power, but the biggest difference is going to be the size. So the GLA is more of a coupe structure, whereas the GLB has a bit of a boxier structure, offering you more space in the trunk.
Okay. And the GLC, which is a little bit bigger than this car, right? How is that different from this one?
So that one's going to offer you more power and, like you said, more space.
But more expensive.
It is more expensive.
Okay.
$10,000 difference.
So how about these wheels? Are these the only wheels available?
No, so we do have multiple options. You can either customize that when you order a car or, just let your salesperson know what you're looking for. We have multiple different options with multiple different spokes and styles.
So what does this car have for lighting?
So LED lights, those are standard, of course, but you do have the option to add an illuminated star to the logo in the middle of the grille.
Oh, really sweet.
Yeah, so cool.
What does this car have for four-wheel drive?
So it has four-wheel drive.
Beautiful.
Mercedes-Benz does make rear-wheel drive vehicles. We don't tend to sell them. We're in the New England area, so it's not pretty safe for our clientele.
Beautiful. Yeah. Awesome. Well, let's hop inside and talk more about it.
Let's do it.
All right, Felicia. So we hopped inside, and this is a really good-looking cabin. Can you tell me what interior color this is?
Of course. So this is our macchiato beige, absolute fan favorite, super warm and super inviting.
Cool. And there's a lot of light inside this cabin, too. Is that from this panorama roof?
Of course it is, yeah. So this is our panorama sunroof. We've got the sunroof, which will open about halfway, and the moonroof in the back that stays fixed.
So talking about the rear of the car, are those seats adjustable, and can I put a car seat back there?
You can, yes. If you just grab the bar, you can manually move the seats forward and backward from underneath the seat itself.
Cool. And up here we have a lot of ambient lighting. Can I change that?
Absolutely. Let me show you a little bit about that. We're going to go into our multimedia screen, which is a touchscreen, super user-friendly, to go into comfort and into ambient light. You've got multicolor options, and then you have a plethora of colors here where you can customize it specific to what color you favor.
Really neat. And do we have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto?
You do, and it is standard in this vehicle.
Is it wireless?
It is.
Sweet. So these seats, are these heated and cooled?
Yeah, so in this model specifically, you do have the heated seats with the ventilation as an option, as well as the heated steering wheel.
Oh, awesome. And the seats are power on both sides. Is that optional?
It's not optional. It is standard. You do have memory seating and powered seats on both sides, and you will find them on the door panels of each.
Awesome. So moving down here, we have a couple buttons. Can you explain what those are?
Absolutely. So right here, we'll find our dynamic drivetrain button, which you'll click into, and you can change between sport mode, comfort, or eco.
Okay.
You've got your volume and power button for your multimedia screen right in the middle here. You've got a fingerprint sensor to lock up when you're in valet mode. And you've got parking assist on this side, which autonomously will park the car for you if all is right and you fit in the parking spot.
Cool. Can I do that with like parallel spots and vertical spots as well?
You can.
Awesome. So safety, what does this car have?
That's a good question. So a few things that are optional on this vehicle, of course, is our driver's assistance package, but a few things that are standard are going to be brake assist, parking assist, which I showed you before, and parking sensors, and cruise control.
And then I can see this little A up here next to the start button. What does that do?
So that's our start and stop. Every time that you come to a complete stop, the vehicle will shut the engine off to save gas.
All right, that's really cool. Let's hop outside and close this up.
Let's do it.
All right. So thank you so much, Felicia, for showing me around this car. I definitely learned a bunch. Where can I find this car and test drive more?
Yeah, of course. So you can find this car and many alike at Mercedes-Benz of Burlington, part of the Auto Group.